welcome back to Divine Creations, and today I am introducing my new mock-up and template, and this is for applesauce, your average size applesauce that you can purchase from the market. That is 4 ounces, and I want to show you how you can use my new mock-up in Microsoft Word. As you see, I brought in my mock-up tops. I brought that in first. Then you bring in your PNG file. Once you have both your files open, you are all ready to start designing. And keep in mind, the designing part happens on your tops, not the actual PNG file. So as you select your tops, you can bring them down right over top of the PNG image. And at this point, you can go ahead and start bringing in your images and changing the color or adding a background to your tops. And simply go to your format shapes is where you add your images. So please enjoy the rest of the video. Please feel free to watch it as many times as needed. I am not going to speed it up or anything, so this is real-time designing. Feedback, questions are always welcome. Please leave them below in the comments, or you can reach out to me over my Etsy page. I will put all the links in the description. And as always, thanks for joining me.